Right, something worth bearing in mind. Just quickly, this is not an art tutorial video right now. This is just something to warn you about if you're perusing YouTube, which you probably are if you've seen this video, is that this is the kind of thing that YouTube is full of. And look at it, Sleepy Bean, funny clips, 33 amazing hacks for your next beach trip, BTS, I don't even know what that is. What the heck? With a dog with some cling film. How an experienced dog mother teaches her 8-week-old puppies to be calm. Millionaire whiz kid. Weather and radar. How to make a balloon chocolate bowl. Kai's surprise star-studded performance. Is that Ed Sheeran? What is this? That, you can't even read that. This one, ingenious construction workers. Ping pong trick shots. Look at the time someone has spent setting that up. Huge vertical drop. Adverts. Crow really wants something inside the dodo. What does that mean? Toadass says, don't know. What is this? Voice Kids. Gordon Ramsay. Pitbull puppy reaction to the Lion King. Making a mini machete from a stainless bolt. This is what the internet is full of. YouTube is just full of nonsense. Please, please, please apply yourself. Come, look at my channel and learn art. That is all you need to do. You don't need all this. Look at it. Look at it. Making a mini machete from a stainless bolt. You don't need that. Learn art. Become an arter. Well, you can't become an arter. You can become an artist. Follow my tutorials. Thank you.